In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Microsoft Copilot into your document editing workflow. Whether you're looking to streamline how you edit documents or need advanced tools for analysis, this guide will help you get started with Microsoft Copilot in Word or through a Microsoft app. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open Microsoft Copilot. You can access it directly in Word or through a compatible Microsoft application. This is an integral step because Copilot is your gateway to a more efficient document management experience. Depending on where you're working from, whether that's Word itself or another Microsoft app, find the interface that brings Copilot into action. Once you've successfully opened Copilot, you'll be able to see a host of powerful tools designed to assist you. Now that you have Copilot up and running, the next thing you'll need to do is locate the file upload or import option within Copilot. This feature allows you to bring your existing Word documents into the Copilot environment, where you can take full advantage of its features. Look around the interface. It's usually prominently displayed so you can easily find it. Once you've found the option, it's time to move forward by selecting your Word document from your device. Remember, your document needs to be in the .docx format. This is crucial as Copilot operates optimally with this particular format. Browse through your files, select the document you want to work on, and proceed with the upload. After selecting your document, you'll need to wait a moment while Copilot processes your file. This is where the magic begins. Copilot is designed to quickly analyze the structure and content of your document, setting the stage for the functionality you'll explore in the next steps. With your document processed, you now have a range of powerful commands at your disposal. These commands enable you to summarize, analyze, or edit your content with remarkable efficiency. Want a concise summary of a lengthy report? Or perhaps you're looking to dissect certain elements for deeper analysis. Maybe you need to make edits to refine your content? Copilot's commands are designed to meet these needs, providing a comprehensive toolkit to work with your document as needed. As you become familiar with these tools, consider exploring various commands Copilot offers to see how you can enhance your document creation process. This will not only save you time, but will also give you deeper insights and greater control over your content. And there you have it, a brief yet thorough guide on how to open and utilize Microsoft Copilot for working with Word documents. Go ahead and try it out for yourself to see the difference it can make in your document management tasks. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.